Hope you guys are doing great today. So I'm here with another video which is related to Office 365. Uh, the video is gonna be Yahoo to Office 365 migration. So if you are looking to switch from Yahoo Mail to Office 365, this this comprehensive tutorial will walk you through the entire migration process step by step, ensuring your emails, contacts, and calendars events are successfully transferred without any data loss. Whether you are an individual or managing the migration for a business, this video has got you covered with the easy to follow instruction and expert tips. Migrate, Migrating emails account can seem detecting, but with the right approach and tools, you can make the process simply and efficient. This video is designed for both beginners and IT professionals seeking a reliable method for migrating Yahoo email to Office 365. In this video, you'll learn preparing Yahoo Mail for migration, how to enable IMAP in Yahoo Mail, generating an app password for a security connection, important setting to ensure your Yahoo account is ready for migration. Set up Office 365 for Yahoo Mail migration, configuration Office 365 Exchange Online for IMAP based migration, understanding migration endpoint in the Office 365 Admin Center, performing the migration using the Exchange Admin Center to create and manage a migration batch, importing email data from Yahoo to Office 365 using IMAP setting, tracking the migration process and resolving potential errors, migrating contacts and calendar data, exporting contacts and calendar from Yahoo Mail, importing them into the Office 365 as well, verifying all data has been successfully transferred, updating DNS setting to route new emails directly to Office 365, troubleshooting common migration issues, why choose Office 365 over Yahoo Mail. So advanced security features and encryption, seamless integration with Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and Teams, enhance productivity with business grade tools. So let's get started. So in front of my screen you can see that this is what that my Office 365 account here. This is what that the test account in I have created previously here on 365. So this is what that the Office 365 Exchange Admin Center is. So over here you can see at the or right side of my screen you can see that there is a migration over here. You can click on that migration and then you can go to add migration batch from here. Before we can go to this process, I'll show you one more thing related to Yahoo account. This is what that the Yahoo security settings of my account, which is onto the Yahoo. So under the security account, make sure that you have set up a two-step verification. If you are not going to be set up your two-step verification, then your the exporting file, which is gonna be like, let me show you over here. If let me get into it. This file we really need it to migration, taking migration steps for 365. This is what that the app password is. Okay, so the thing is If you are not setting up the two-step verification on your Yahoo account, then no need to generate the app password. You simply type your Yahoo account password. If you already set up the two-step verification, which is, you see that over here, I already set it up. So what we do here is to generate the app password. But from the time being, you see at the bottom of this page, I already set it up. Okay, so I just leave this blank on. You can take any name over here. You can, for example, we can take a test and then generate the password. Simply, that's it. And that app password, you can copy that app password and put it over here. Okay, and after that you can go there and then click save. It should be comma separated file. Okay, if you are onto the Windows computer, that it should be the exact same. Some values might be the change, but most of the time they're going to be exact same. Okay, so once it's going to be saved from here, and then you can come over here again. Okay, under migration badge, you can you need to be click here onto the add migration badge and then give it some name. For example, Yahoo to 365. We can click next from here. Over here, IMAP migration. Click next. One more time next. And then from here, 365 Gmail migration. You know what? I already set this up. If it's not set up from on your location, then you can go to create a new migration badge. You can name it. Okay, for example, I can go to the test one. You can over here you can type the IMAP server, which is your Yahoo mail server. For example, it is IMAP dot mail dot yahoo.com. This is what it is, and this is what the basic is. And then after that, again, it is SSL accept, and then click next. When it is going to be saved, then that migration badge is going to be saved from here. So okay, we already had set up this migration, and then we can click next and import CSV file. From here, you see that I already set up that file, that CSV file. This is what the file is that Office 365 Exchange Admin Center is going to be asking you. Okay, so you can import that file from here. Click next. In my previous video, I already described these settings with you. This is what it is, that after the batch is completed, the report will be sent to that following person, which is going to be, you can type of the type name of here. Okay, so and then the second part of this is you can start it manually. Okay, then the second thing is automatically it will be start automatically, and then you can schedule the time whatever at what time that migration is going to be started. And you can I have to go with the automatic start, then we can click save from here and then click done. Let me show you very quick. You can see that it's syncing right now. Let me show you very quick from here. Even go from here, you can see that there is no mails over here right now. All the mails are on this account right now. Okay, this is what it is. All emails are over here. This is going to be syncing right now. After some time, you can see that my mails is going to be appear here automatically. This is 365, right? We need to be wait here for some time. It will take not really quick. Let me stop the video for the time being, and then I'll get back to you once the emails are going to be processed here. I'm back, and you can see that all the emails which is onto the 365 onto the Yahoo account is going to be appear here on 365. This is what that the 365 here, and you can see that it's it's increasing 355 right now. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, 380. This is what it is. So if you can see over here, this is going to be start syncing. It will take some time, depend on the size of your mail account. So these are all the settings that I have perform it from here. For the time being, I just stop it because I don't need to migrate those emails from Yahoo 365. Just stop from here. You can do that exact the same thing from your side. It's depend on to your 365 exchange licenses is. So guys, this is what it is, and if you feel any kind of an issue related to the migrations, any type of a migration, you can get back to me. I'm happy to assist you uh, with all kind of issues related to 365, and any kind of an email that you are going to be moved to 365, then you can get back to me. I am sure I can help you, and we can fix any kind of issues. Thank you for your time, and support me for the video, and do subscribe my channel, and like my video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.